Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer for all your charging needs, the BODSEIEOU USB-C charger block. If you're tired of juggling multiple chargers and tangled cables, this 440-watt powerhouse might be the solution you've been looking for. Let's explore its features. First off, let's talk about its impressive capacity. This charging station boasts 8 ports, 5 USB-C and 3 USB-A, allowing you to charge up to 8 devices simultaneously. Whether it's your smartphone, laptop, tablet, or smartwatch, this hub has got you covered. Remarkably, a single USB-C port can deliver up to 100 watts, making it ideal for fast-charging laptops like the MacBook Pro. What sets this charger apart is its integration of GaN III technology. This advanced chip not only enhances energy efficiency, but also improves heat dissipation, ensuring a cooler and safer charging experience. Plus, its compact design, 20% smaller than typical multi-port chargers, makes it perfect for home, office, or travel use. Compatibility won't be an issue here. This charger supports over 3,000 devices, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, MacBooks, Dell laptops, and even the Nintendo Switch. No matter your device, this station ensures a seamless and efficient charging experience. Inside the box, you'll find the charging station, a 5-foot power cord, a detachable base, and a user manual. Its sleek and compact design allows for easy placement on any desk or nightstand, helping you maintain an organized and clutter-free space. If you're seeking a fast, reliable, and space-saving charging solution, the BODSEIEOU USB-C charger block is a must-have. Say goodbye to slow charging and cable chaos. For more details, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.